on the first part of my birthday haul, I unboxed, swatched and tested my brand new Schminke Academy watercolor set, and it was a lot of fun. I had a blast with that one. And today I will be unboxing, swatching and testing for the very first time in my life. Never tried any of it before. Probably should have tested it before doing this video, but what the heck. My brand new watercolor pencil set and my brand new Ecoline Brush Pens. So here are my watercolor pencils. And this is a British brand, if I'm not mistaken. They also have this watercolor paper to match. And I've got my swatch card using this paper right here. Now, the way watercolor pencils work is you paint with them just like you would with a regular pencil, and then you fill the lines out by adding water to it and activating that pigment. Ooh, look at that. And from there, you can pretty much do what a regular watercolor does, really. There's a brush and a pencil and then all these pretty colors, 10 colors. You know, you get all the transparency, the gradients, etc. And I'm thinking, and this is just an idea because I haven't tried this yet, as I've told you, that pencils will probably give you more control over your lines, right? Because you're using a pencil instead of a brush. And I guess we'll soon find out. Okay, let's swatch these out. So there is no information here. I can't really give it like a number or anything, so we'll see. Okay, do you think this is enough? Not sure. Let's wet this. And here we go. Ah, yeah, okay. Yeah, that's pretty much how it works. Just like a watercolor. Definitely gonna need more paint. Can I paint over it? I guess I can. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, nice. Not very strong. But I like the transparency, and the line is shiny and black, so that's good. You know what? I think I'm gonna go to one of my brushes because this one is just too soft. Yeah, I need a sturdier brush. Okay, better. Okay. Okay, lift this up, shall we? Oh, okay, that's better. That blue was way too soft, but this one, nice. Okay, a yellow. Oh, this looks really strong. Oh yeah, very strong. Okay. Was a little bit scared with the blue, not gonna lie. I was really wondering if I would be able to do this. It was just so weak. But now I'm getting more and more excited. Okay, our orange. Look at that, that's strong. That's nice. Just goes on like that. Yeah. Just like that. Oh, look at that, so nice. Just activate it just like that, really quickly. so far I'm really liking these lines. You see? They're all completely transparent. Back to the blues, I think. A little do-over. Let's spread these up. Let's do it. Okay. Yeah. Blue. Next, is this like a blue or purple? No, it's another blue. I think yeah. No purple on this one either. Beautiful. Like this one. Now, black and gray. Lovely. Easy to activate. Very transparent. So beautiful. And now for the brown. And I guess if if you want to paint outside and you take like a water brush pen, this is actually pretty practical. All you need is this kit and a water pen and you're good to go. So it's as practical as they come. Guys, I think this is pretty cool. I'm very happy with my first attempt. Okay, now that these are swatched, I'm going to be doing a really simple exercise with them. So let's take our bold mirror paper. Maybe we take this just to make sure, because when you realize you need to tape it, when the paper is buckling, it's usually way too late to do something about it, because you already have, your paper is already full of paint, and the minute you're moving it, the paint is moving around, and it's just, such a mess. So yeah, we don't want that. So for this project, we are back to making bubbles, I'll just pick a template for my bubbles, and then I'll just fill them up. Let me show you. So this is a thread cone. And we'll just be making little bubbles like this. So one bubble. Let's start with this one. Yeah. I was expecting something a little bit stronger, but maybe I just needed, because this is all paint, these lines, this is all paint you can activate and bring forward to your project. But let's see. Oh yeah, purple. Some paint. Maybe if you just spread it, okay, that works. Just spread it from the sides to the middle. It will get really better, and then we could, like I said, just. Oh, I see. But when you do that, you'll always have the lines. Okay, good to know. Okay guys, kind of disappointing, not gonna lie. I may become a fan of watercolor pencils, maybe not these specific, or maybe I just need to learn how to do this right. Totally a possibility, but I have no idea what I'm doing. It was the first time, like I told you, I'd never done this before. But if you like, you know, real soft transparency and all that, this may be for you. And last but certainly not least, we have our Ecoline Brush Pens. And I have a few colors right here, 4 colors and this blender. So first we are swatching these babies out real quick, and I've got my swatch card right here. Now let's see how they do with all the swatching. And the principle is pretty much the same. You add paint, and then you activate it with water. There we go. Okay. Next. So this was pastel green. This one is pastel yellow. Okay. That's my water. Pastel yellow. Yeah, too much water, I think. Let's see if I can add some more paint to it. Yeah. Okay, now we have apricot. That's promising. Ooh, gorgeous color as it is. You know, just the marker itself. The brush pen itself is lovely. Yeah, I like this one. This one's really cute. Okay. And we have our pastel rose. Okay, pastel rose. Love the color. Let's see how it does with the water. Yeah, cute. Very, very cute. Okay, as for the blend, how do we do this? Let's see, if I add a little bit of pink and maybe a little bit of green, and then, I don't know, is this how it's supposed to go? How do you mix this? Yeah, it's mixing somewhat. What's this? Is this the paper? Is the paper giving out? Yeah, kind of blended. Did something here, but I think this was the paper giving out, so I didn't push it. These are our swatches. Okay, our project. Very similar to what we did with the pencils, but this time it is going to be hearts instead of bubbles. And by the way, this is looking better and better with time. You know, the colors are actually becoming really, really pretty. Did not expect that. Now for our hearts. So, I've got this piece of paper right here. What I will do is I will draw a couple of hearts using these pens, and then I'll just fill them out with water. Let's try it. You know, with watercolors, it's usually when you're painting with watercolors, you know that the colors, once they dry, are going to appear lighter. with this one, well, at least with the pencils, I can't stop looking at this. Look at this. It's just getting much more colorful than it was when we were painting. So it kind of looks like it's the other way around. I'm so confused right now. I don't know. Liking it though, kind of a surprise. So yeah. Okay, yellow. Well, it is definitely not blending. Maybe it needs a blender. I don't know, you know. It just didn't work out with the swatches. Kind of ruined my paper, so I didn't try it again. Maybe I should. Let's see. Let's blend. Nah, it just ruins the paper really. It's just either that and I'm doing it wrong. I don't know. Yeah, I'm liking it. Look at this one. It's kind of gorgeous. You know, you have this stronger line and then it just fades and gets lighter and lighter. It's kind of gorgeous. I like it. I really do. Same here. Now these ones are still pretty wet, but this one, the lines were too thick. This is perfect. This is very near perfect. And yeah, I think these have loads of potential, you know? Well guys, there you have it. My birthday haul filled with lovely supplies and so much stuff I had never tried before. And so far, I have to say, I'm pretty happy and pretty impressed. And grateful, of course. I hope you enjoyed these videos. I know I had a blast. I will see you for our next one. Bye bye!